Let's take a look at the chart action for Cardano. Alright, so on my YouTube short, I made a video about how we had a triangle pattern, basically something like this. We're targeting from the top to the bottom of this triangle, dragging that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of around 1.89. So what I'm doing right now is I'm watching like the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame, and we have this uptrend going something like this. Basically, we could watch this uptrend until we break to the downside. I'm assuming that we're going to go up and meet our target, but it looks like we might be coming in and testing it. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that we are kind of above it right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if we came down, did a little retest, and then started moving back up. But this is a trend line that you'd want to watch, and maybe if it breaks to the downside pretty hardcore, it might be a signal to take profits and maybe buy back somewhere lower. But yeah, I'm still looking at this target up here. The one thing that we can do is go to the Cardano to Ethereum chart. We talked about this in yesterday's video, and I told you that we look like we were getting some support down here, and I wasn't sure if we were going to hold it and keep moving up and retest this, but we got a big move up last night and we broke this first trend line right here that we were watching. I said this is going to be step one, and then we have another one that's step two, and then we have another one. If we go to the daily time frame, we have this 180 moving average coming up here. That's going to be step three. So yeah, we broke step one. Now we're coming up on step two, and then let's see if we could break that and then hit up to this 180 moving average on the daily time frame. Step three, that's going to be really bullish. Basically, Ethereum money piling into Cardano. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at, the ADA to Ethereum. And then if we go to the Cardano, I'm watching the daily time frame pretty much, and I'm not going to really pay attention to this hourly time frame, but if you want to, I think that might be a good signal if you really want to do these small short-term trades. But I'm really just watching like the daily time frame for more of like a longer term trade. I am still thinking that we could probably get up to this level here and maybe even up to this level up here, but who knows. If we can keep this uptrend going in general, we might have to come down and retest this trend line down here. So if we take away some of these lines here, we still have this bottom support trend line right here, and this is the main one that I'd be watching. It's possible that we have to come down and retest it and then keep moving up, and this trend line moving to the upside. Until we break it, I'm assuming that we're heading up. Alright, if you guys like Cardano, hit that thumbs up button.